Shenzhen Hi-FiD Electronics Tech Company Limited is a leading professional supplier in the design and manufacture of white noise machines with extensive experience. Our products are exported to North America, South America, East Asia, Southeast Asia, Western Europe, and Northern Europe. We offer both OEM and ODM services to meet our customers' diverse needs. Our company adheres to the principles of customer first, quality supreme, reasonable prices, and constant innovation. We utilize advanced production and measuring equipment, along with high-quality imported raw materials to deliver top-notch products. Our dedicated sales staff is always available to ensure complete customer satisfaction. Our R&D team develops cutting-edge technology, and our experienced design team consistently creates innovative products with unique features each year, maintaining uncompromising quality to meet the diverse needs of the market. We aim to grow alongside our partners and achieve win-win outcomes. Helping people realize their dreams and enjoy high-tech, innovative products is our driving force for continuous growth. Furthermore, our factory has passed the ISO 9001:2015 Quality Management System certification, and our products have obtained appearance patent certificates and comply with CE, FCC, RoHS, and BSCI standards. For any new inquiries, please contact our after-sales center or send us an email. We look forward to cooperating with you at Hi-FiD.